Okay, what we have here is the transfer case actuator motor. It's the same part for both cars. That's the X5 and the X3 first generation BMW. And I've already removed the 4 bolts that hold the motor on. So what you do is hold on to the sensor and wiggle it out. Set that aside. Keeping the sensor on it keeps all the brushes in the motor from unspringing and making a big mess for you. Set that aside. Next, again, I've already removed it. There's a little C-clip that was inside here. That's the next thing that has to be removed. To remove it, I started with a very small flat blade screwdriver and I wedged it in there. Then I took the next size up, wedged that in there, and then went to the next size up and just gently pried it out, leaving me the clip. Washer comes out, set that aside. Next, what we're going to do, we have to take this outer seal out. That is kind of peened over at the factory in different points. And what we'll end up doing is we're going to go back to our flat blade screwdriver, and we're going to find points all along here where we can gently get it in there and wedge it up and pop that cover off. Next thing, after you remove the washer and the C-clip, use a small screwdriver, start on a corner. You want to try and work it until it pops out. Some of them are easy, some of them are hard. Just start working the corner until it pops up. Get it down to this point and take another screwdriver, a little larger, go through the hole where the motor was. And this one's coming off real easy now, but what you want to do is get to that point, rotate it, and that seal will almost, in a way, unscrew, letting you get to the gear. Then what you have, you can see, this is the worm part, where the worm gear was rubbing on it. A lot of people rotate it and re-engage it here. It might last for a while. One thing I've heard is that every time the motor is actuated, it moves a little further, and eventually you're going to get around back to the worn spot where it's going to fail again. So a much better way to do it is take this gear off the plastic gear. I don't know how. See, it's going to come off. Just give it a little wiggle. Comes loose. We have a brand new gear that we made. See, it's identical, except the material is completely different. It's made by Odometer Gears. And you take the part, refit it back on. Now before I put this back in here, what you want to do is really get some brake clean this out, get all the old grease out, and use something like axle grease will work fine. Get in there, maybe some marine axle grease, recoat the new brown gear in here, then set it in and reassemble.